During the procedure, I had absolutely no discomfort, and as a matter of fact, I actually fell asleep during the procedure and woke up about 30 minutes later, and they were almost done. I would say for 2 or 3 days following, you have to sleep in a slightly upright position. There is a little discomfort in the back of your head, but let me tell you, it's worth it in the end.
During the procedure, you know, at first I was a little worried, it's going to hurt, it's going to this. Nothing. There was no problem. Anybody that's thinking about this really needs to do this. I can't stress enough. It was just the best thing I ever did.
As far as discomfort during the procedure, I had a little prickling sensation right here for about 90 seconds. It was a little worse than a mosquito bite, but for me that was about it. After the procedure, I had a little tight feeling along the back of my head. For just a few days, nothing, not a problem. In fact, I returned to work the same day of the procedure.
You know, I really didn't have any discomfort. I could feel it, but it wasn't uncomfortable. I thought it was going to be a lot worse.
During the procedure, there was no discomfort at all. Afterwards, very little, if any. I had no pain. Just went home, went pretty much back to my routine.